CA Tilotma. I welcome you back to our channel. Friends, as we all know that company LLP partnership are artificial legal entity. So a person is authorized to do all act on behalf of the company. In income tax, this person is called principal contact, and hence a digital signature of the principal contact is required to verify all the act on behalf of company LLP and partnership. So how do we register this digital signature on income tax e-filing portal? Let's learn in this video. We will log in into the organizational income tax portal with the organizational user ID and password. This is the home page. In the home page, we will go to the option profile setting. Under profile setting, we will see the fourth option, register digital signature. Click on that. To register digital signature, you need to download the digital signature utility. So we will download the DSC utility. This is the Java file which has been extracted from the utility. We will go to the second tab, register digital signature. Then we will enter the e-filing user ID of the organization. And then we will register the DSC of the PAN of the person whose digital signature we need to register here. Then we will select the option USB token. Then click on select certificate and click on the person digital signature. Then we will click on tab generate signature file. You will be prompted to give the password. We will give the password of the token. And click on login. The signature file has been created. You can save it anywhere. I am saving it on my desktop. Then you need to attach signature file on the e-filing portal. We will click on the option choose file. And select the signature file. The signature file has been selected and uploaded, and we will click on submit. See, we will get a message of success. Your digital signature certificate is successfully updated and transaction ID is so and so. So this is how we have successfully uploaded digital signature of the authorized person. In case you have any query, you can get back to us by writing in the comment box. Thank you.